Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to mix 4 kinds of black, and then I'm going to paint a cat using 2 of those blacks. I hope you enjoy. As you can see here, I've made a grid with 2 types of blue on the side and 2 types of brown on the top. We have Prussian blue, ultramarine blue, burnt umber, and burnt sienna. This first mixture of Prussian blue and burnt umber is going to make a cool sort of black, because both of those colors are cool toned. The ultramarine blue and burnt umber mixture will make a sort of cool purpley black, because ultramarine has purple undertones. The Prussian blue and burnt sienna mixture will make a near neutral black, because Prussian blue is cool toned and burnt sienna is warm toned. And lastly, the ultramarine blue and burnt sienna mixture will make a warm, almost brown kind of black, because ultramarine blue and burnt sienna are both warm toned. I laid down a black straight out of the tube so we could compare the mixtures to it. These mixtures are obviously not true blacks. However, you could use them if you're out of your tube black or just want your darkest color to have more interest and depth. And now I'll be painting my sister's cat. I'll be using the Prussian blue and burnt sienna mixture for his darkest black, and then I'll be using the ultramarine blue and burnt sienna mixture for his highlight black. I hope you enjoyed learning how to mix 4 kinds of black and this time-lapse painting where I used them. If you did enjoy this video, give me a like and subscribe. I'll be posting new videos every week.